Okay, I am getting ready to cook curry chicken. All right, so right now, here's my chicken breast. I have to cut it up into little smaller pieces. I have right here my onion, jalapeno peppers, a little cinnamon. Here is some of my dry spice, which is fenugreek and cayenne pepper. Over here, I have another set of dry ingredients. Now, this is going to be your cardamom, your flannel seeds, your it's quite a bit. And I also have your green cardamom, anise, spice in this one. I have mustard seed and curry leaves in this bowl. I have garlic in this bowl. I need coconut milk, ginger garlic paste, and tamarind paste. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do now is start cutting my chicken. Okay, so I've cut my chicken up and I've already seasoned my chicken. As you can see, it is ready with the seasoning on it. Right now, I'm letting my olive oil, it calls for coconut oil, and I just bought a big container of coconut oil. I can't get it open. So, I have to improvise and use olive oil. So once this gets hot, then I'm gonna put all of my onion, my garlic, and let that cook for a little bit. Then I'm add my jalapeno pepper, and then I'm gonna add my other spices in. I'm gonna let that cook down, and then I'm gonna add the chicken and just let it simmer. Okay, so now all of my seasonings have cooked down. And so I've had to add a little hot water, just a little bit, so that my powder seasoning didn't burn. And so now that it has cooked down, I'm going to add the chicken to the mixture. Then I'm going to cover it and let the chicken just soak up all of the spices and tender at the same time. Okay, so now this is the final result of the curry chicken. See you all, it looks good.